I would get the AI to build me a testing engine within the system. It was doing this. And it was great. After a bit of time, I started to think something was wrong. And I resisted, but eventually I went and looked at the code. Now, what the AI had done is it hadn't built me a testing engine. It built me a simulation of a testing engine. So every test was actually, if this function failed, what's a likely error message for it? So there was zero testing, zero. It was entirely simulation.